Hi there, welcome back to the Man Cave. My name is Mark and this is my 1980 Ferrari 308. Now last week we've been working on the driver's side steering rods and the complete cases. I finished the passenger side all by myself and I fixed the leaking brake caliper on the passenger side rear of the car. Found out the bleeding needle was a little bit loose, so it kept bleeding, or there's no fluid in it left, but it's solved for now. But what I didn't solve is the handbrake. When you push the handbrake, the wheels lock and I cannot get them unlocked unless I use a little bit of force. That cannot not be good, but I can't find why or how. So that's something Gus has to solve for me. Meanwhile, today what we are going to do is we're going to sort all those parts we've got here out to get them in the car or ready for transport. We have to clean the car, and most importantly, we are gonna now hook up the battery and see if it works. Okay guys, no explosions so far, but it could of course be that the battery is dead. I charged it before putting the poles back on, but of course it could be a dead one. So first thing we're gonna do right now, we're gonna try to we're gonna put in the key in the car and see if we can get something to work. Otherwise we're gonna put on the charger and then do it again, and that would probably mean that we need a new battery. But as long as I can test, I am happy. Let's jump in the car and see what happens. Pray with me. The magic key. Oh. No, it looks like the battery is dead. Or did I forget something? No, the battery is dead. Okay, we're gonna hook up a charger.
A few moments later.
Now that's really annoying. I've been charging the battery and the charger said the battery was okay. But I'm going to admit that was a few weeks ago. I just put the charger on and well, the testing light of the charger burns. But when you hook on the battery, it doesn't burn, and that means the battery is more dead than can ever be. And I can't even charge it. That sucks. I really wanted to see the headlights pop up and down. Now I can't. Or I need to get a battery from somewhere. But time is running out. Not a disappointment, but that's the story of our life right now in this project. Oh, there it is. The new battery. Tuesday night. Yes, I finally got a battery. And on Friday the car's going, if everything goes well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna install the battery and do it again. Deja vu. Let's try it again. Okay. The fuses all look okay. I don't see anything wrong here. No lights whatsoever. It all looks like it should now work. What have I done wrong? I'm starting to think that maybe the battery wasn't dead. No, it was dead. It was dead. But why is there no juicy juice? What am I missing here? What am I missing, guys? I'm totally confused right now. What am I missing here? Please tell me. What should I be missing? I really don't know. I tried it all. I tried my best. But I don't know. All fuses are okay. So it must be because something is disconnected for the engine or something. Let's hope that is the case, because we didn't do much. Oh my god, all those scratches. One word of advice, guys: never buy a fucking Ferrari. Don't do it. No, don't do it. Or at least don't try to restore one or something. It's better to spend a little bit more on a car that's perfect than this. So annoying. Because all I wanted is just to put the headlights down, then I can put the last screws in, put it back together and get it on transport next Friday. And well, that means then I now have a really big problem, because I'm going to have to send this car as it is to Gus. And the chance is Gus gonna send it back to me without it running. That's really annoying. Or it's gonna cost me a shitload of money. That's even more annoying. But I just can't figure it out. I really don't know. Okay, well, it is what it is. I can't change it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the front back together, all the pieces I got out. Then I found the the Dinoplex system was still not installed. Should that be? Nah, it can't be. Now we're gonna install that one, and then we're just gonna put the boxes ready for transport. Okay guys, here we have the final piece of the puzzle, the Digiplex system van Magneti Marelli. The Digital Advanced Ignition System. Expensive. I marked them. I marked the ones in the car, so that should be just an easy fit. Meanwhile, we got some other parts here, like some trim, some fabric, some inner pieces, and more fabric, and some aesthetic parts coming from the trunk. But we're gonna forget about that part. We're gonna install that later, because I really want to replace the, well, trunk pieces. This one is okay, but most of them are almost gone. It's a little bit moisture, by the way. So let's install the Digiplex. Why do I say Dinoplex or something? The Digiplex system. Get this one in place. And then we call it a quit for today. Yeah. So this should be an easy one, but as we have recently experienced, nothing in this car is easy. Well guys, that was the easy part. The Digiplex system is in. And well, you know what? I think I'm just tired. Yeah. But we're gonna solve everything. Trust me. Sorry about the bad video. It's really messy. And I'm really working on the last straws here. But the good part is that she's almost done. And one way or the other, we're gonna solve it and we'll be back on the road this spring. Meanwhile, I wanna thank you for watching. See you again next time. Ciao, ciao bellos and bellas and bellies and bye bye, swai swai.